Hello everyone, thank you for checking out ProfitHost. I'm super excited to show you this new software that we are just about to launch. ProfitHost is redesigning whatever you know about hosting. So it gets rid of all of the costs of a cPanel, brings it down to a one-time fee, and has more features than any other web hosting control panel. This is the main dashboard. Let's quickly go through it and see all of the possible features. So we have all of the hosting features you can dream of. We have email, you can add any email address you want. We have domains to which you can add your very own SSL and so much more. Let's just quickly check out the SSL in domains, for example. Here you can see you can create your very own SSL. You can either do this manually if you have some private requirements, or you can let us generate it for you with generate all with Let's Encrypt. Let's check out the DNS records. With the DNS, you know how you always have to talk with your hosting support to add and edit any record. With ProfitHost, you can add new records and edit your current ones very easily from this panel, as you can see right here. Using our knowledge base, this will be very easy for you. However, the most exciting thing about ProfitHost is that you can install WordPress and so many other applications. Let's quickly check that out in Softaculous. As you can see here, you can install WordPress, you can install PrestaShop or any other app you want. You have a bunch of categories on the left side. These are the top scripts that hundreds of thousands of people use on a daily basis. But you can install anything you want with ProfitHost. Now let's get back to our dashboard. So looking at all of the other options, we can see we can set up our own cron jobs. We can even create some new accounts. Say you want your friend to host your server with you. You can create another account for him and completely restrict him, depending on your needs. You can see your recent visitors on the server, websites, WordPress, whatever you have. You can back up your website so you can always restore it to a previous version, and so much more. This is a cPanel 2.0, and you can get all of this with a simple one-time fee. So thank you for checking out this demo video, and I hope I'll see you inside ProfitHost.